The scene is always the same. You're in your bedroom, suitcase open, feeling organized and ready for adventure. You pack your favorite clothes, zip it up, and feel prepared for the perfect trip. But when you arrive, your bag feels heavier than you remember. Dragging it through airports and hotels, your neatly packed clothes become a chaotic mess. Suddenly, you can't find what you need and realize you packed for a fantasy, not reality. Instead of making your trip easier, your suitcase becomes a burden. The excitement of travel is replaced by frustration. The problem isn't your packing skills. It's packing for the person you wish you were, not who you are. We all imagine ourselves as glamorous, spontaneous travelers, but the real you just wants to be comfortable and present. Packing for fantasy leads to stress before you even leave the hotel room. Let's break this cycle. We all pack for our fantasy self, the one who attends galas, hikes mountains, and looks flawless in every photo. You imagine fancy dinners in Paris, so you pack cocktail dresses and heels. But reality? You walk for hours, eat street food, and crave comfort. Those fancy outfits stay buried while you wear the same comfy clothes on repeat. This isn't just Paris. It happens everywhere. We pack for parties, disasters, and adventures that never happen. The key: be honest about your real habits and plans. Pack for the traveler you are, not the one you wish you were. The what-if mindset is the fantasy self's best friend. What if it snows? What if there's a formal event? What if you take up scuba diving? Packing for every just-in-case fills your suitcase with unused items. The cost? Extra airline fees, wasted money, and unnecessary stress. Dragging a heavy bag is exhausting and can ruin the start of your trip. Overpacking creates clutter and wastes time searching for essentials. Worst of all, you often forget what you actually need, like comfortable shoes or a rain jacket. The real cost isn't just weight, it's lost money, added stress, and missed experiences. Don't let what if steal your travel joy. Pack for what's likely, not what's possible. So how do you pack for the real trip? Start with research and honesty. Check the actual weather forecast for your destination, not just averages. Plan your activities. Will you walk all day, lounge by the pool, or have one nice dinner? Match your packing list to your real itinerary. Choose a color palette and pack mix and match pieces. A few versatile items create many outfits. Limit shoes to 3 pairs, walking, dressy, and trip-specific. Wear your bulkiest pair on the plane. Strategic packing means less weight and more freedom. Focus on what you'll actually use, not what you might need. Packing smart is packing light. Before you pack, lay everything out and ask, will I wear this more than once? Be ruthless. Leave behind anything for just one occasion. Always leave about 15% of your suitcase empty. That space is for souvenirs, unexpected finds, and flexibility. Traveling light is a mindset. It frees you to be spontaneous and present. A lighter bag means less stress and more adventure. You're there to make memories, not manage stuff. So pack for the real you and the real trip. Keep it simple, travel light, and leave room for discovery. Your future self will thank you.